Going on a trip on a great red rocket ship, flying through the sky. We have made it to Seattle, our first destination. Yay! Hey guys, we are in Seattle/Tacoma, and right now we're heading to breakfast. We just finished our meal at Pancake Chef. I had strawberry crepes, they were delicious, but on our way out we saw this beautiful mural that we wanted to come and take pictures in front of. And look, there's a little hijabi. All right, guys, we gotta go because someone's trying to park and we're blocking it. It's cold. That is a huge lobster tail, my goodness. Those are some big ass shrimp. Hey, it's a donut for Texas.
Cover River King, Shimmer Monday!
A donation's worth will reveal your house evermore.
Nora likes the jewelry, of course.
These are pens.
Look, it's the original Starbeezies. Look at the line to go in. We are up in the Space Needle. We are at the top. Alright guys, Seattle was fun for the day and a half we spent here, but it's time to go on the next leg of our trip. See you guys soon. Bye!
On the aircraft. Please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing.
17 hours later.
Destination 2, we are back in Singapore. Yay! Hi guys. We're in Malaysia. We just crossed the bridge from Singapore to Malaysia, and we are in Johor, BAHRU. I think that's how you say it. Oh, that's nice. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. There's a washing machine and dryer. There is a kitchen with sink. They even give you dishwasher. There's a stove.
This is your dining room up there.
There's a stove and a microwave. There's coffee and water. There's a little dining table.
We have a TV in our room. Look what you get. We have a TV in our room.
There's a little sitting area with a TV. We are way up here. Wow, look at that view.
This. Where's light in for the bathroom?
Keep pushing all the buttons.
Let's go open our curtains and see our view.
Mama can't turn them.
Bring my basically out of sweets.
A balcony? A balcony?
Here's one room, the girls' room.
Wow.
Ew. Look at this lake.
Good view.
Oh my God! Don't come out here with.
Put your phones over, please. Don't lose your phone.
Oh my gosh! Look at this view. Wow! Hello, Malaysia. All right, let me go look at the other
The
side.
mirror lights up.
This is what, a closet? Yeah. Closet. Wow, my God, this is like an
This
apartment.
is a suite, basically.
Oh
They
my
have the Game of Thrones.
God. I don't want to do anything. I just want to watch Game of
It
Thrones.
blends in into the.
Pocket door for the bathroom. Oh wait, here's our nice big bed. Look, honey, look. A nice bed with 2 side tables on the side. And a nice, beautiful view. We need to clean the windows, Malaysia. We need to clean the windows. I don't know how you clean them all the way up here, but we gotta clean them. Wow.
And mommy, if you see this, I swear I'm holding the phone so tightly. Also, I'm sorry for stealing your phone. Like, I saw this view and it's really pretty. It was nice. Okay, that's it. So now we're gonna sneak back into my mom's room and put the phone back.
Good morning. Today we are taking the children to Legoland, Malaysia. what it's gonna be like with you learning to drive. Naima looks very happy. Oh, that is so cool. Look. And then it's green guys. Ah, look at Changi. Well, we have finished our adventure at Legoland. The kids had a great time. I'm pooped. We're all pooped. We're gonna go back to the hotel and get some rest and then eat. Now I'm hungry. Hungry now. Day in Malaysia. It's a little bit rainy. We are having breakfast before we go, but it's been a great trip and I can't wait to come back and see another part of the country. Okay, close that sausage for me. like the rice pudding dessert. Sticky rice.
Sticky rice and rice pudding.
We're back at Changi Airport, leaving Singapore, going on the third leg of our trip to